Good morning, in the actual morning. How are we doing? Hopefully you're enjoying the last couple of videos. I am trying to get myself back in the groove of doing this again. Sorry, Mr. Namo's making all the noise. But we'll go over and have a look at him in a memento. First things first.
Morning.
Jono boy.
Morning in the afternoon.
How are we doing, sir?
Not bad, thanks. Yeah, it was nice doing this, obviously. It started a long time, but it had no zero rear lights. And by zero, I mean it had nothing. Pulling me out of one point because you had nothing. You had no front lights, no back lights, no windscreen wipers, no indicators.
No way.
Nothing. But obviously, both scopes were knackered. There was no, the hazard switch was broke, so that got the indicators of front lights working, and there was nothing on the back, and we got everything minus brake lights, but the brake switch was like dusty, it just stuck, so it was like clean out oil that. I've never seen a T4 with like this many gremlins.
We'll leave Mr. Johnny to play electrical.
Alright, done with the electrical now. Ta-da!
And while we're stood near it, the cow. By the way, the engine isn't sat on this chair, it just looks like it. But, from last time you've seen the cow, she looks a little bit more put together. Oh, she's looking more put together again. That needs a clean desperately. Clutch lines in. Oh, servos in. Oh, look at that. All the brake lines are here. All the water pipes from the inside. What's he up? She is very much put together now. Looms in, which wasn't here last time because it was a bit knackered. Just need a little snail to go back there and go. Oh, she's all timed up. I think we left it and it wasn't timed up. I just finished cleaning it all. It's all timed up. Look at that. She's coming together leaps and bounds. Well done, Betty.
Brand new flat battery.
Perfect. What more could you ask for? My job is Ameno. And while we're over this direction, Mr. Namo.
Ta-da!
What have you done? What have you done?
Nothing.
Well, she came in because I think we showed on the last video. If not, I'll get Di to send some pictures. She came in with a slight Lee bent step / missing because somebody's running extremely low and ripped the step off.
On stone, I think. It was something in the grass, so you just catch the step and sell and stuff. And
Ripped it off.
On the way back, he was trying to avoid everything. He just watched the thing again.
Well, this van, you probably have seen it up on like Scarface and all those pages. This is a very low van. It's come here for Namo to fix problem.
You lift that for us. And we were so struggling.
Yeah, it took all
from.
yeah, he literally lifted it for us so that we could get it on the ramp, and we still couldn't get it on the ramp, and it took all three of us to get it on the ramp. That was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So
And all wood in the workshop.
it was, yeah, it did take literally all three of us to get this on here, but making a good mess.
Yeah. Try to cut as much rust.
My job is this van. This engine needs to come out. Just need to have a bit of a removal of stuff, so that's going to be my job. Got my little tool cart set up. No point me showing you this because it is literally just removing everything. So I'll leave you over there. You can have a little watch-see of Mr. Namo. I'll pick you up in a bit when we're getting up to other stuff. So have fun. See you in a moment. And welcome to the voiceover. So Di's just going across and making all the patches and making sure it's all sat where it needs to be sat. You can just see we got the tape measure out on it, but he's just putting all the patches in and welding them in. Always quite interesting to see this. And welcome to day number 2. So I left you yesterday watching Mr. Namo, and he was making that step up. He did have to stop doing that because he had to do something on a different van. So I sort of kept trying to remember to turn the camera on and off so you could just watch him do that step. And while he was doing that, I removed the heart from this van and started just taking other bits and bobs out. And yeah, this van fought me most of the way. I need to keep that. But this van sort of fought me quite a lot yesterday. But it's done. Literally got a few more power steering lines, a few bits from the interior. Yeah. So that happened. Mr. John, I don't think this one was on the ramp last time you seen. But this one's up there now, coming for a lot. Needs a bit of welding. John's just getting all the mechanicalness done. Not quite sure what else he's got to do. He's just outside at the minute, so I can't even ask him. But thought I'd pick the camera up and just sort of show. I am going to leave you back over here with Mr. Namo again, because as you seen yesterday, this bit is now completely in. Did find a little patch here that he needs to. He's now working on this bit. He's got all his little templates and stuff that he's made so that he can do this properly. He's now got, well, he's got the other bit over there. He's now got all the angles and stuff, all of this. Oh, there's the other piece I was looking for. See, that good a panel, I didn't even remember it was there. There you go. It's not even welded in, and look at that. But he's got the template for this bottom piece that goes right the way under. Look at that. Fair play. But he's got a template for that piece. He's literally just making that as we speak. And then he's going to weld all this lot together. And then the lip can go on. Yeah. Coming together well. Do you agree, Mr. Namo?
Yeah. I thought it would be more big job, but because everything was just snap, it was so much easier to remove that step. Especially like, well, under that bit I'm doing now, it's yeah, you obviously can't get to like small lines and stuff, so you're gonna like cut bit by bit and
slowly remove it,
because that was just, man, just didn't exist.
Well, we're going to leave you to do this.
Yeah.
And what we'll do is I'll put you back over there. And you can have another little watch and oversee from over here. Sound good? There you go. Just a little time lapse of Di just doing the last little bit of this step. Unfortunately, because it's on a time lapse, you can't really see too much in detail. But he's just, as you can see here, just making little patches and trying to rebuild everything that he's got. And as you can see at the end, it comes out very nice. Well, unfortunately, I haven't really been picking the camera up very much. As you can see, there's a few bits and bobs that are different. Mr. Dynamo's van is by there, but yeah, I sort of haven't really picked the camera up as much as I would have liked. Sorry about that. But had a couple in for a few services and a few bits and bobs, and yeah, my steering has been an absolute pain since I've built this basically, and actually found out what it was. Probably just about, yeah, there you go. That rod there goes up and then up there, so it sort of does like that angle. That bit down there, there you go, that bit down there was twisted the wrong way, so we had to pull it out from up here, twist it, put it back in. There we go. I had like this weird little notchy. If I did like a like a full turn. Every quarter of a turn it had like a little lump. Fixed now. Also, this one's back in here because she's having a windscreen tomorrow. And this one that Daddy's been welding, she's now the other way around. Because this bit needs to all be replaced. Which he has already started to do, as you can see. Mr. Namo's completely finished this step. So now, sliding door works. So he just needs to finish the other side, and then this thing can go back. So there you go, Darren. By the time you see this, this will probably already be back, because I think I'm like about a week and a half behind. But yeah, this thing should be all but ready to go. Windscreen, and then that can go. Well, I think that's about it. Are we going to show the other mod, or should we wait until it's a bit more refined? We'll wait and show you. We'll refine it a bit more, but it's a fun one. But there we go. Thought I'd pick a camera up and say goodbye proper, because I, unfortunately, being a busy egg, and completely forgot it to pick a camera up. But I'm going to stop rambling, get myself gone. Thank you very much for watching. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up, because we massively appreciate it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for putting out of our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.